Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about database migration. Migration are like version control for your database, allowing your team to easily modify and share the application's database schema. Migration are typically paired with Laravel's schema builder to easily build your application database schema. Alright, so let's create a migration. Before creating a migration, go to the PHP MyAdmin and from here just select the database which is Laravel 8 ProDB, and inside this database you can see here there is no any table inside this database. Okay, now let's create a migration for the post table. So switch to the command prompt and here just type the command which is php artisan make colon migration, okay, a space migration name. So just write here the migration name. Let's say create underscore posts underscore table. Alright, and just specify the table name. So just write here create dash dash create is equal to table name which is posts. Alright, now press enter. Alright, migration created. Now switch to the project and just let's find the migration. So just go inside the database, then migration, and you can see here the create post table migration. Okay, so just open this file and you can see here this migration uh, contains a class definition with up and down method. Okay, the up method runs when the migration is executed to apply changes to the database, and the down method runs to revert the changes. Okay, if you need to update the database, you just create a new migration. Alright, inside the up function, this is the ID column which is by default auto increment and their data type is big int. Alright, and this is the timestamps which creates two column created at and updated at. Now add some column here, so just write here dollar table string and just write here the column name which is title of the post, and dollar table, let's say text, and column name body of the post. All right, now just save this file and now let's migrate this migration. So switch to the command prompt and here just type php artisan migrate. Okay, now press enter. You can see here now all migration is migrated. So switch to the php myadmin and just refresh the database, and you can see here these four tables: users, password reset, migration, and failed jobs. Okay, these four tables are Laravel default migration. Okay, and this migration tables take care of all the migration. Okay, and this is the post table. Now just click on browse and here you can see the column ID, title, body, and created at and updated at. Alright, now let's see the rollback migration. Rollback the latest migration operation, we can use rollback command. Okay, so let's run the rollback command. So switch to the command prompt and here just type the rollback command which is php artisan migrate colon rollback. Okay, now press enter. Alright, now switch to the PHP myadmin and just refresh the database. And you can see here only migration table is here. Okay, and other tables are removed from the from here because of the rollback migration command. All right, now let's see the refresh migration. The migrate refresh command will roll back all of your migration and then execute the migrate command. All right, this command effectively recreates your entire database. So switch to the command prompt and just run the migrate refresh command. So just write here php artisan migrate refresh. Okay, now press enter. Now switch to the php myadmin and just refresh the database, and you can see here all tables are recreated. Okay, now let's insert some post inside the post table. Okay, so just click on insert and just add here the title. Let's say first post title, and this is the first post body. Okay, and here for the second post, just write here second post title and second post body. All right, now click on go and just click on browse, and you can see here the inserted post. All right, okay, now execute the migrate refresh command. So switch to the command prompt and just write here php artisan migrate refresh. Okay, now press enter. Now switch to the php myadmin and just refresh the database. Okay, and you can see here all the tables are recreated, and inside the post table just browse this post table and you can see here there is no any post. Okay, so in this way you can create and use migration in Laravel 8. So that's all about migration. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.